Presenting the 2010 BMW 3 Series 328i. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, automatic headlights, MP3 player and auxiliary audio input. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.